Stop using Windows 11 on the default settings. Look, Windows experience is fine, but let's be honest, you deserve the better than just fine. We are taking your PC from the basic, the ultimate power user setup. I've put together a list of 10 completely free, incredible apps that will drastically upgrade your daily quality of life. I guarantee at least one of these is going to blow your mind. Grab a coffee and just let's build the ultimate setup together. 1. Playnite. Let's be honest. The gaming on a PC right now is absolute launcher hell. Steam, Epic Games, Xbox Game Pass, GOG. If you are hit keeping 5 different apps running in the background, Playnite is a literal lifesaver. Now, I will warn you upfront, logging into all those accounts one by one during the initial setup can feel a bit tedious, but trust me, that 5 minutes of pain is completely worth it for the incredible peace of mind you get afterward. Your entire game library all under one roof. But here's the part of the thing going to blow your mind. Incredibly detailed, customizable themes. You can use full screen mode, which completely rivals Steam Big Picture, or you can completely transform the interface to look exactly like a PlayStation 5 or Xbox dashboard. The settings and the add-ons go so deep. Try to go through them one by one. This video would literally never end. So we are perfectly organized our game library and taken our aesthetics to the next level. What about movies and TV shows? 2. Stremio. If Playnite is the ultimate hub for your games, Stremio is the undisputed king of the movies and TV shows. Now let's be clear about how it works. At its core, Stremio is actually high advanced lightning fast torrent play, meaning it automatically tracks everything you watch, organizes your watch later list, and it notifies you when new episodes drop. You can even download a media directly from Drive for offline viewing, and the best part, the ecosystem. It runs perfectly on the Windows, your phone, your tablet, and your smart TV. 3. Files. Microsoft refuses to fix the native file explorer, so the open source community did it for them. The app is simply called Files, and it gives you everything you can actually need. Proper tabs, a modern dual pane layout, and the gorgeous, highly customizable UI. If you are still opening at 2 completely separate windows, just drag drop into a folder. You are wasting your time. With this, one click splits your window perfectly in half in a Mac style, column navigation, and color-coded tag to organize your project, and it just doesn't fix Windows, it completely embraces it. Add in Mac style, column navigation, and color-coded text to organize your project, and it doesn't just fix Windows, it completely embraces it. 4. Flow Launcher. Flow Launcher, we all know the native Windows search is an absolute joke. You search for a specific folder, instead of Windows opens a Bing web search. It's slow and frustrating. Enter Flow Launcher bar instantly appears in the middle of the screen, but because it runs everything search in engine in the background, it indexes your runs entire hard drive, meaning you find any file instantly with zero latency. But the true magic of the Flow Launcher is the built-in plugin store. It's absolutely insane. You can control your entire PC without ever touching your mouse. Watch this. You can calculate maths instantly, convert currencies in real time, control your Spotify playlist, and kill a frozen app just typing kill, generate secret passwords to find color hex codes, translate words, or even search YouTube directly all from this one tiny bar. This is my favorite app. It's completely changed how you interact with your computer. Once you get used to workflow, trying to use normal PC will feel like you moving in slow motion. 5. KDE Connect. Apple users love to brag about their seamless ecosystem like AirDrop and universal clipboards. Meanwhile, Windows users are out here literally emailing photos to themselves or using the WhatsApp just transfer a file. Now, I know exactly what are you thinking. Doesn't Windows have already the phone link app? Yeah, it does. But let's be brutally honest, Microsoft's phone link app is bloated, clunky mess. It forces you to sign in the Windows accounts, runs silly background process, and You don't need all that blood, you just need an open source masterpiece called KDE Connect. This tiny, extremely lightweight app completely bridges the gap between your PC and phone. Working entirely locally over your Wi-Fi, no cloud accounts, no tracking, no. The feature that will instantly change your workflow is the shared clipboard. You copy a block of text, a link, a password on your phone, hit Ctrl V on your computer, and it's instantly in there. No delays. It can feel like absolute magic, but it does so much more. Revo Uninstaller. Let me tell you a little dirty secret about Windows. When you uninstall an app using the default settings, it is lying to you. Windows notoriously leaves behind hidden junk, leftover legacy keys, or faint app data folders, and broken files slowly rots your system's performance and eats up your storage or time. This is why you absolutely need a Revo Uninstaller. Whenever you want to delete a program, you do it through Revo instead. First, it deeply scans your entire hard drive and directory for every single leftover trace that the app tried to hide, and lets to nuke it all with one click. It's only way to keep your PC running perfectly fresh. And speaking of your PC clean, if you really want to take this to the next level and completely destroy all the pre-installed Microsoft bloatware that comes natively with Windows, hit that subscribe button right now. I'm going to dropping the absolute Windows Ultimate debloat guide very soon. And trust me, you are not going to want to miss it. 7. NanaZip. It's time to finally let WinRAR die. We all know the joke, nobody actually buys WinRAR. But we all just blindly click close on that annoying trail pop-up every single time we extract a file. Why are you still putting up with that? Answer NanaZip. It's beautiful, modern, open source. There are 0 ads, 0 subscription next, and it handles absolutely every format you can throw at it. RAR, zip, 7-zip, tor, JS, you name it, it just works. But here's the real reason, it's absolute must-have. You know that Windows 11 completely ruined the right-click menu, forcing to click the show more options to track the file. It's frustrating. NanaZip fixes this. Natively integrates directly into the modern Windows 11 context menu. You right-click a file, extract it instantly, and move on with your life. There are fraction utility that should have been built into for Windows from day one. AB Download Manager. If you are still downloading large files directly through Chrome or Edge, you are artificially bottlenecking your own internet speed. And if you are using Internet Download Manager, well, let's admit it, IDM looks like it was built for Windows 98, and dealing with fake serial case, sketchy cracked versions, massive security risk, you need to switch to AB Download Manager right now. It fixes the ultimate open source IDM killer. Under the hood, it splits your files into multiple threads, completely maxing out your bandwidth and downloading massive files in a fraction of the time. But the best part is the integration. It's a flawless browser extension that automatically catches your downloads, and unlike the ancient tools of the past, modern dark mode UI that actually looks like it belongs to premium Windows 11 setup. It's completely free, perfectly safe, and stupidly fast. 9. Screenbox. We need to talk about the video players. For years we have all been using VLC player, and don't get me wrong, VLC is incredibly powerful, but let's be real, the interface looks like it's stuck in 2022. On the other hand, the default Windows Media Player looks nice, but it constantly fails to play certain formats. Enter Screenbox. It's the absolute perfect middle ground. It's an open source, beautifully designed media player built specifically for Windows 11 using the stunning Fluent design materials. It looks like a premium native app, but here's the kicker. Under the hood, it's actually powered by the exact same engine as VLC. That means it can smoothly play 4K HDR files, NKVs, and completely obscure formats with 0 extra codecs required. It also has flawless picture-in-picture mode. You can keep as a YouTube video movie floating on top of your screen while you work. It is the ultimate VLC killer. 10. OnlyOffice. For our final app, we are fixing the biggest scam on the Windows. When Microsoft desperately wants you paid monthly subscription, just type a basic document or make spreadsheets are the worst. They push the web-based version that constantly begs signing into. No, thanks. Meet OnlyOffice. It is the ultimate, completely free open source replacement of Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. It runs perfectly locally on your machine with zero ads and zero subscription snags. The most important thing in the compatibility. It's natively uses Microsoft formats. So when you save a docx or xx file, it opens perfectly for everyone else. So now your PC loaded with the absolute best software. But under the hood, Windows is actually still tracking your data, eating your RAM, running Windows telemetry. You need to reboot Windows garbage Microsoft first on you. Click the subscribe button down below right now, get notified the Windows Ultimate, and join the open 4 community from day one. See you on that video.